So the skid steer quit working the other day, and I'm going to show you what's wrong with it and how I'm going to fix it. I've got the cab up now, and we're going to take a look and see what's wrong with it under the hood here. So as you can see, this drive motor is really clean and shiny. There's a good puddle of oil down there. And we look on this side, and that drive motor is not quite as shiny. So what that's telling me is there's something cleaning that motor off, which is most likely high pressure hydraulic oil. So now we got to find out where that's coming from. And it looks like it's coming from around that elbow. So come around to the other side here, and I'll see if I can get a better shot up in there what I'm looking at. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I'll show you when I get it open. And there's the other side of it. So the easiest way I've found to get down to those elbows is to remove this filter boss right here. So I'm going to remove this wire right here for the oil filter sensor. There we go. That's off. Let's tighten that bolt back up so we don't lose it. And then we're going to remove this. I'll come back to you when I get it off. There we go, we're ready for removal. You're going to take your 5/8 wrench and remove this bolt back here. So you're going to take your 7/8 wrench and break this loose and take it off right there. Right, now that that's off, we're going to take the filter boss and wiggle it around to the front of the machine here, and I'll get back to you when I get that done. Alright, we got that out of the way enough. I'll get into the end of the elbows now. We'll take off the drive lines. I've got a couple of special wrenches here for doing that. And we'll get that cracked off, and I'll get right back to you. Alright, I got that cracked off. So I'm going to take those off, and then we'll get at the elbow on top here. got it. So I got to take out that fitting as well, down in here. Should come out by hand now. Yeah, it's moving a little bit. There we go. Good, out. Set that up here. That's the only way I'm gonna get on that one. Okay, I'll be back when I get that one cranked. That O-ring's good. That O-ring looks fine. Alright, let's check out that bottom one. I'm just gonna see how loose that one is on the bottom. I'll try tightening it up first, see if it... Oh, look at that. Yeah, that tightened up. Yeah, okay, so yeah, that is a problem right there. Alright. Yep, okay. We'll get that one busted off and see if there is an O-ring there. Oh, that O-ring's there. That's good. So there's no ring here, though. That O-ring appears to be fine. Okay, well, I'll get this right out and we'll get a good look at it. So as far as I can tell, this O-ring is fine. It was just that little bit loose that was the problem. So we'll get these put back in, tighten right up nice and tight, and throw some oil in it and see if she works. Alright, so I got that all tightened up. Oh yeah, there's the top drive line tightened in real nice. Let's get this this other adapter put in. Yep. Okay, now I'll get the oil filter put back on. Alright, there's the filter box back in place. Tighten this in. And, Alright, next bolt. Nice and snug. Alright, we'll get our wire on here now. There we go. Tighten that in there. I got a wrench and tighten that on there, off camera. Alright, get this line back on. I'll get it started here. Okay, we're started now. Nice and tight. There we go. Alright, sensor wire is all hooked up.